Alright guys, welcome back to Caveman Crawling. Today we're going to do the overlander challenge between the sleeper deadbolt and the kind of scale built bronco of both of our gremlins. We're just going to stay on the more mellow lines of the course. In another video, these big rocks right through here, we'll do another extreme off-road challenge with the same trucks, same setup, and we'll go from and then we'll post that video too. We're gonna do our gatekeeper line, which is right through here. And you just come into the gravel, and then after that we'll trade off back and forth who sets a line. Every line that's done, you get one chance to roll it back, one reposition, and then every line you complete's 1 point at the end. What do you guys want to go to, like 7 points, first to 7?
7 works. Yeah, that works.
First 1 to 7, that'll be the winner, and then that'll also be the person that is the leader of the extreme crawling video. So, all right, guys, who's going up first?
I'll go first.
All right, the deadbolt's going to take the gatekeeper first. All right, that's 1 point for the deadbolt. And that's 1 point for the bronco. So now Dizzle gets to decide the next line with his bronco.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna back up this way, and I'm gonna come across through these rocks here, and then probably go off on the end there.
Oh, like towards that big brown rock on the end?
No. I'm gonna just kind of go over this and then just drop off here.
Okay. Oh, don't roll it.
We'll go with that.
Dizzle managed to navigate the crazy line and didn't roll over. So that's 2 points for the bronco right now. If these lines are going to be this easy, I say we bump it up to 10. We're going to run out of video. All right, we're tied 2-2. I guess if we get to 10 and everybody's still tied up, we'll have to do sudden death. All right, Lizard, what's your line?
Not to go extravagant.
Extravagance really wasn't your forte.
Now, let's not argue on camera. We can save the boxing match for afterwards.
Climb up this rock, and we start heading back up into the canyon.
Up into the canyon? All right, we can go into the canyon.
And then we hook up to here and stop.
All right. See, put your money where your mouth is. Sorry about all the trucks in the background, guys. It's onion harvest season in Idaho, and there's lots of onion fields around the HQ. One more onion truck coming through, guys. Just bear with us.
That's one.
All right, so
Bronco's up. I did forget to mention, guys, these builds are the exact same as the part 2 of the Bronco build and as the deadbolt sleeper build. There's been no changes. They're all the same as they were in those videos.
I can't do it.
Well, you do have a reposition that you can use if you want to reposition up onto the rocks and try from that point. Alright, so that's Dizzle's one reposition for this line. If he rolls over, it'll be a DNF. No pressure. As a tiebreaker, we might also do it who had the fewer repositions or rolls. Oh, and he saved it from the roll. Look at that. All right, guys. We're tied up 2-2. But if it comes down to a tiebreaker right now, the deadbolt has it because of the reposition. That can change, though. We're only on our second line, and now it's Dizzle's turn to pick a line.
All right. First, I am going to need you to move your deadbolt lizard. So, what we're going to go ahead and try and do is we're going to come down through here, and we're just going to go along the back side of what we've dubbed Horseshoe Bend, and we'll hook it back into here and stop about right in there.
All right, sounds good. I'm going to have to get a better angle for this line. How about instead of 7, we go to 5 so we don't bore our viewers to death with a 3-hour video?
Yeah.
Sound good, guys?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right.
No.
Alright, use your one reposition. Alright, so unless Lizard happens to roll twice and DNFs as it stands still, if he can, pending a completed line, it will result in the deadbolt winning at the end as they run. Alright guys, I think I'm going to have to pick a line at this rate because we're still tied up, but unless Lizard really screws something up, that sleeper build deadbolt is crushing all of our, it just crushed our horseshoe bend line, so. Alright, whose turn is it to pick a line? It's Lizard's, I believe.
That it would be. And currently as it sits, it is tied up 4-4 with 2 repositions on the Bronco.
3-3 actually. This would be line 4.
No, that was line 4.
Oh, was that line 4? Okay, correct. Dizzle was right. The caveman's losing his brain. That was 4-4, so this will be our final line. Unless Lizard really screws something up, Dizzle's gonna end up taking it.
You mean losing it? The deadbolt has not had any repositions.
I understand that, but if Brandon doesn't, if Lizard doesn't make his next line,
Oh, yeah, that is true.
he'd be down by a point, so the repositions would not matter.
That is true, yeah.
Okay, guys. For the final line, we're coming straight up here, up over this giant peak, and crawling down this geode onto the ground.
Well, it looks like we're going for Sasquatch Mountain. Let's see if the little red deadbolt can secure its victory. And then let us know down in the comments, do you maybe want to see either the JLU or the Gladiator go up against the sleeper build deadbolt and see which one comes out on top? And then as always, if you guys could like and subscribe, it helps us out a ton. It's completely free. It lets us know you're enjoying our content. And it lets us know you want to see more of our wacky videos and crazy challenges that my gremlins come up with in the middle of the night and wake me up and tell me about.
Thought that line was going to be harder than it was.
Alright, Dizzle, you're up with the Bronco.
Oh.
Well, guys, I guess that settles it. The sleeper build deadbolt is an absolute beast on the HQ trail we got going on. If you guys got a name for the trail, let us know. All this fun stuff right through here. The only spots we've really named is like Horseshoe Bend. We got the Gatekeeper in the back. This has kind of become Mount Sasquatch. But if you guys got names for lines or at the trail as a whole, let us know in the comments, and we'll definitely, the best name will win. But that's been it for Caveman Crawling today. Thanks for stopping by for the Overland Challenge. We will see you in the next one. That's the Rock Lizard. That's Dizzle. I'm the Caveman, and we're out of here.